Yeah, what's going on, family? It's your man B Miles coming to you live once again with another video from the B Miles 84 Conscious channel. I actually want to come to y'all with another video, man, talking about how U.S. stocks slide, wiping away some of historic rally a day earlier. U.S. stocks tumbled on Thursday, wiping away some of the previous day's rally as investors digested President Donald Trump's decision to dispense some tariffs while escalating the trade war with China. Hours after market opened, the White House said U.S. tariffs on China stand at 145%, more than 125% levy that had been widely reported the day earlier. The news sent shares falling further than earlier in this day. They said the Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped 1,025 points or 2.5%, while the S&P 500 fell 3.25%. The tech-savvy Nasdaq plunged 3.95%. Footwear giant Nike, which boasts a sprawling global supply chain, saw shares plummet 8%. Tesla, the electric car maker led by Trump advisor Elon Musk, fell 7%. Shares of chip maker Nvidia dropped 5%. Some major companies in extended gains from a day earlier. Telecoms, AT&T, and Verizon even took the more than 1.25%. China rebuked the U.S. earlier Thursday morning in a response to Trump's decision to hike cumulative tariffs on Chinese goods to 145%. Beijing said it would restrict imports of Hollywood films. The U.S. is wielding tariffs as a weapon to exert maximum pressure and seek selfish gains, Chinese Foreign Minister spokesperson Li Wan told reporters at a Thursday briefing. They said stock market losses on early on Thursday erased some of the historic rally on Wednesday set up by Trump's tariff announcement. The Nasdaq saw 12.1% at Wednesday's close, the index's largest single day gain since 2021. The Dow jumped 7.8%. It is the biggest one-day increase in 5 years. On Wednesday afternoon, Trump announced a 90-day pause on the higher tariffs for most countries that he announced last week, while maintaining the 10% baseline tariff across the board. Trump also announced additional tariffs on China, increasing the cumulative tariffs on Chinese goods from 104% to 125%. Before the downturn in U.S. shares, Asian and European markets rallied on Thursday. Key Asian indices recorded notable recoveries on Thursday, marking a reprieve for most after a week of turbulence and sell-off driven by fears of escalating trade wars and recessions. In Japan, the Nikkei 225 closed 9.1%, and the broader Topix index closed at 8%. South Korea's Kospi closed at nearly 6.6%. Taiwan's TAIEX index jumped 9.3%, and Australia's ASX 200 rose 4.5%. Chinese key markets were also in the green, despite Trump's decision to raise tariffs on Chinese goods to a total to 125%. The president alleged a lack of respect from Beijing. His latest broadside coming after China announced 84% reciprocal tariffs on United States goods on Wednesday. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index climbed 2%. The Shanghai Composite Index jumped 1.1%, and the Shenzhen Component Index rose 2.2%. In Europe, the Pan Continental STOXX 600 Index jumped more than 7% on Thursday. The European Union announced a 90-day pause on retaliatory tariffs targeting the United States, which the EU had approved earlier the day before. Wow, so they were saying that the U.S. stocks, pretty much have slid, wiping away the historic day that happened yesterday, announcing the tariffs, so you definitely want to pay attention. But I had to come to you over this video, man, spread thoughts up on this, shed light up on the situation. I felt the need to get all ahead to hit this subject. Keep on liking and subscribing to my channel. Always appreciate the love. Don't forget to hit the bell to get all of my notifications. Like, share, and subscribe, and the link will be in the description box. And this your man, B Mouse, coming to you live once again for the B Mouse 84 Conscious channel. One love once again. Peace.